Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about the best price action scalping strategy for the beginner traders. Here I will tell you that this strategy can not only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. By using this strategy, you can use the price action strategy to earn the maximum profit. Here I will tell you that this strategy can be giving you the amazing results. Okay, before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which program I'm using for my trade. This is XNES. If you want to open your account with them, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus, they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission. So if you want to open your account with them, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here we have one indicator, that is market structure break, market structure break and order block by Emre KB. 8,715 traders are using this indicator. You have to click on it. It will be applied on your chart. As you can see, this indicator has been applied on our chart. On this chart, you can see few zigzag lines are there, and here are the market structure break for green line, and this is the red line market structure break. Obviously, this is the bullish market structure break, and this is the bearish market structure break. These zigzag lines are showing us the high highs or low lows. Okay, one more thing that I want to tell you, that always our market structure break, bullish market structure break, green color line will be made over the recent higher highs, and when we see this red color line MSP, that is market structure break, that will always be formed when we have a recent lower lows. Okay, one more thing, order block will be formed always as this is the order block in red color. So this is bearish order block. So bearish order block will be formed where our last bullish candle will be finished, and our bullish market order block will be occurred over there when our last bearish candle will be formed. Okay. One more thing here, as you can see, our market had the last bullish candle here, and from here our order block has started. From here we have to enter into the market when these conditions will be fulfilled. The first thing is that our first bearish candle should be in the order block, and the second our bearish candle should be closed outside of this order block. When these two conditions will be fulfilled, we have to enter into the market for the bearish trend, as well as we have to see the zigzag line that has been made by the by this indicator. Okay, when these all conditions are fulfilled, we have to make an entry into the bearish market for taking the signal sell trade. When we will take the sell trade, as you can see, from here till here we have taken the profit, and then for some time this market has gone above this, and a market structure break is there where we have our recent higher highs. So market structure break is in green color line. So from here we can take the trade for our bullish signal. But if the market is in the ranging level, you should not take any trade. You should rather avoid the trade. Okay, when we have this market structure break in the red color again, you have to take the trade for the bearish signal again. As you can see, from here if we can take the profit from here till here, and again there is a trend of the bullish trend, and here you can see that the market has gone above. But as all the market is still moving down to this order block, so we will not see any order block that has been made during this all procedure of green color. So we have to check this in other charts as well. For example, if we see in USD CHF or in Euro JPY, for example, this also has the red color order block, and as you can see from here, the last candle was finished here of bullish pattern. So from here our bearish order block has been formed, and from here we have to see that our first candle should be finished in between this order block, and then the second candle should be closed out of this order block, then we have to take the entry for the market trend for bearish signal. As you can see, from here till here it has taken the best profit. So this is the scalping strategy that you can see, and you can use it for your own trading by having the idea that you are moving in the price in the market range. So one more thing that I want to discuss here is that when you see these levels are there, for example, these two levels, order blocks are here. If our market has gone above this level, then this level will be acting as a resistance level, and this market level will be acting as a support level. If our market has gone out of this order block from here till here, means our market has to move in between these two blocks. Whenever we have the market trend out of this, means below this level, so our this level will be acting as a resistance level, and the down one level will be acting as a support level. So this indicator acts as a support and resistance level as well. This is a very powerful indicator. You can use it for your on trading with the confidence that you will earn the maximum profit, as this will give you the confirmed signals to enter into the market and to exit from the market. So if you like this strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video, and to use it for your own trade with confidence. Good luck from my side. Take care.